of all, I'd like to First of all, I'd like to thank Scotch for shortlisting the presentation of our unit. I am Rakesh Ola, Superintendent of Police, Nagpur Rural, and I am giving a presentation on transformational and inspirational performance during the times of COVID. So, so first of all, I'd like to share that Nagpur Rural is a big district. It is covering around 9,800 9,800 square kilometers of area, and it has 25 lakh people. And the Nagpur Rural Police Department oversees the area and has provided immaculate support throughout the pandemic, which was one of the worst hit areas in India, is now improving at a rapid rate. And I'd like to emphasize here that this nomination is for the entire police department because each individual is as crucial as any decision maker. So the three major aspects in the wake of pandemic were: first was the government mandate. It was ensuring the lockdown, maintaining social distance, masks, wearing of mask, enforcement, and other directives. And in this, our methodology was increased focus on the police morale and public outreach to improve the cooperation. And apart from this mandate, our regular police work, that is crime prevention, detection, law enforcement, law and order management, was going on simultaneously. So government mandate was very well ensured. We ensured a strict lockdown was ensured. We have got a interstate borders and inter-district border. Nagpur has interstate borders with Siwni and Chhindwara district of Madhya Pradesh. We have around 12 interstate borders and inter-district checkpoints. They were properly manned, and interstate movement and inter-district movement was regulated. We made a lot of cases, around 30,000 odd cases for not wearing masks and not maintaining social distance were made out. Now, setting the context, our mission and honor at this level will really further our mission to deal with the pandemic to the best of the our ability, because pandemic is still not over yet. And outreach is the core of our implemented solution. Validation, although the results are apparent, the cases have fallen drastically, uh, but the award would validate our approach. And replicability, recognition will give a solid backing to replicate this solution. So our methodology was unique. Uh, our methodology was to ensure first and foremost the well-being of our front runners, frontline workers, ground staff themselves. A motivated staff with a high morale will perform better duties. In order to motivate, I've got a force of around 2,100 people in Nagpur rural. We ensured that they were provided masks, sanitizers, PPE kits, face shields, immunity boosters like multivitamins, homeopathic medicine, Ayurvedic medicine was given, vaccination drives were taken. Around 96% of our personnel have taken the first dose, 85% the second dose is complete. Uh, Above 50 years, the police personnel above 50 years, pregnant women, lactating women were given leave or they were given desk duties and not active duties. Senior police officers from DYSP, additional SP, and superintendent, they visited each PS and talked to them and increased their morale. The basic motive was that a motivated staff will, in turn, with high morale, will perform their duties better. We went for public outreach to calm down the panic created in the situation and to ease the anxiety of the people in these uncertain times. For the public outreach, we started food distribution to the needy, medicines were distributed, masks were distributed. The movement of interstate movement, lot of labor in Nagpur and adjoining areas are coming from Sivni, Chhindwara districts. So the movement of people was on immense scale. We controlled the movement, we helped the people. In fact, in the vaccination drives, our policemen and our inspectors and the police station officers, they go out to the people and motivate them to get vaccinated. Extending the help beyond the administration's mandate, micromanaging these aspects to bring human touch. So, as I have told, we did all the good work by distributing masks to the needy people, by distributing food packets. So this was done uh, on a very massive scale, and not neglecting the primary duties amidst all the bandwidth of the corona-related tasks. So, crime prevention was there. Around 6,583 people were bound down under various sections of the Criminal Procedure Code, Bombay Police Act, MPDA, MCOC Act. Crime detection percentage was around 80%. All the major offences were detected. I would like to emphasize that around 75 missing girl childs were traced during this period. All the major festivals, all the bandobast were tackled in a very good way. Special task force were formed, and apart from doing the regular duties, 22 police station in charges and DYSPs were given special tasks and instructions in order to monitor the health of and treatment of our COVID positive officers and men. A staff of 2 officers and 3 policemen were deployed at the district level. They checked the health of the men on a daily basis and reported to the senior officers. We proper escalation matrices, reporting structures, and follow-up audits were there. Who reports to whom was clearly set out. It was self-sustaining, self-improving process. Uh, Usually in uniform services, the approach is top-down, but we followed the bottom-up approach. There was an open channel of communication for the feedback so that improvements could be made on a regular basis. The ripple effect created was that it motivated the policemen to a great extent. Citizens feel settled. It led to a increased synergy and identifying that we were working towards the same goal. The morale of the force was initially a bit shaky, but ultimately uh, the morale was to be boosted up. So our men who were fell ill were admitted to the best hospitals, best possible treatments were given. Many money from the welfare fund of the Nagpur Rural Police Department was allocated to the all the men and the officers. Vaccination, as I told, that vaccination drives were completed on a priority around 95%, 96%. That is apart from the lactating and pregnant women. All have been vaccinated to a great extent. And the extended personal support was given to the families as well. Uh, from a public view, the easing the anxiety of the people through all communication channels, extending help to the migrants, citizens, and connecting them on a human level, gaining trust has really helped persuade the citizens to cooperate and get out of the COVID peak. I would like to mention here that our public outreach has given us some fruits. Our Twitter following, which used to be around 2,000 odd, has increased to 13,000. That's a very huge increase. The impact, as we can say, Nagpur rural has seen a dramatic improvement in terms of COVID. Patients were around 87,995, and out of the patients, 83,844 have been cured. The active cases are only 2,766. Daily positive cases, which were coming at around 3,100 odd, is now 132 yesterday. Uh, Police public relationship is at an all-time high. Our Twitter and the social media accounts are seen by a lot of people. As I told you that the following has increased from 2,000 or to 13,000. The increased trust of citizens in the police department, I can tell you with this great sincerity that trust can be evident from the fact that almost all the route marches that were done in the Nagpur rural area people clapped and people cheered from their houses, even showered flowers on the police personnel. So this is not seen. This is a rare thing to be seen. The decreased notion of tyranny across the forces, the approach has changed from top down, the approach has changed from a bottoms up approach. Channels of feedback are open. The policemen are giving their feedback, and hence the notion has changed to a great bit. Future plan and replicability. The model is easily replicable over the state. A more structured approach to this inside-out methodology should be more effective. I think increased focus on prioritizing welfare and going outside towards the public would be the key here. Thank you, sir, for my letting me present this presentation on behalf of Nagpur Rural Police.
Thank you. You were actually in the eye of the storm when it came, starting from February till late May, I think, till a couple of weeks back. I think Nagpur has been one of the worst affected areas. So you are almost in the eye of the storm. I'm thankful to you with whatever you have achieved over this period. I think there was a lot of effort which has gone into manage the crisis which happened there. I think what we have to do is to prevent the next crisis to come just in case, and your support will be required for that.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
The learnings which we have gained over the last 4 or 5 months especially, so those will have to be then implemented. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Very good presentation. Very meticulous, outstanding work you have done. Excellent work.